You see, my face, my mama and papa go keep coach for me. They will keep gorilla. They will keep tiger. They will go see kill lion because of me.
On my own birthday, my mama and my daddy, they bought new head for me.
Now let your mommy love. My own birthday, my mommy enter river because of me.
My papa and mama, they love me. They carry me go for canalizer, go for me. That's why my zip no close.
Okay. Well, like my mama and my papa, you like me so okay. Okay, I never see the kind love my mama and papa, they don't love me. They love me so then carry me go where I go, they carry Gosling for head.
In my family, we have many children. And me, a monkey, I have zombie, a coco, monkey, everything. We have it in our family.
Jesus! No problem. God will need you.
Even shop for your body. So say your mama enter River Niger because of her. So say mama carry a new head for your head. This one fail because of monkey. No bad monkey family. After person go see a big bag.
Wait, show me this your monkey face. I need even to see my sister back again. Hi, yeah, why you just them?
Me, you know, cause me I be monkey.
Okay.
Hello guys, thank you for watching It's Youngest Principal Comedy. And please keep watching it, okay?
Come to my favorite show. When I don't forget to make you like and make you share and make you subscribe. Love you.
See ya later. Woo! Oh yeah, enter, let's go.